In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your profile photo on Outlook Web. This is a simple process, but a visual update to your profile can personalize even the most professional environment, making your account truly feel like your own. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that you end up with a fresh look for your Outlook profile picture. To start, you need to access Outlook on the web. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in, so go ahead and enter your Microsoft account credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your inbox, ready for the next step. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see either your current profile picture or your initials in a circular icon. Click this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option that says My Account, or it may simply show a larger version of your profile picture. Once you've accessed your account settings or profile page, the goal is to find where you can change your photo. Look for a button that might be labeled Change, Edit Profile, or something similar, depending on the current configuration of your settings. Clicking this will prompt the portion of the settings that allows you to update your profile picture. The next part involves selecting a new photo. Click the option to browse your computer, which will open a file selector window. You might have spent some time deciding on the perfect picture, whether it's professional or a favorite from your personal collection. Once you've decided, select the photo by double-clicking it or by choosing Open. This action uploads the photo to your profile. With your new picture uploaded, the next step is incredibly important: saving your changes. Look for a Save button and give that a click. You might notice that it can take a little while before these changes are reflected across all Microsoft services, so don't worry if you don't see your new photo immediately. It should update everywhere soon enough. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your profile picture on Outlook Web. Personal touches like these are not just about aesthetics, they help you stand out and establish a personal brand even in digital communications. If you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful, consider sharing it with others who might appreciate these easy tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to guiding you through more tech basics in our next video.